Did you know that 1 in 3 adults is at risk of kidney disease, and diabetes remains the leading cause of kidney failure? But here's the surprising part. What you eat can help turn things around, especially if you catch it early. Today we'll explore 12 foods that can support kidney health and manage diabetes. Welcome to the Balanced Body Project. In today's video, we'll uncover the link between diet, kidney disease, and diabetes. While food can be a powerful tool for managing these conditions, most of the foods we'll discuss are suitable for people with early-stage kidney disease and those managing type 2 diabetes. Advanced kidney disease often requires a more restricted diet, so it's crucial to understand how these foods fit into your specific health journey. Let's dive in and take control of our health with knowledge and nourishment. Kidney disease and diabetes are growing concerns worldwide. Diabetes is the leading cause of kidney failure, creating a dangerous cycle where uncontrolled blood sugar damages kidneys and impaired kidney function worsens diabetes. While many of the foods we discuss today are nutrient-rich and kidney-friendly, people with advanced kidney disease may need to avoid many of these foods due to high potassium or phosphorus levels. As for diabetes, the strategies often differ for those managing type 1 versus type 2. Type 2 diabetes benefits more from lifestyle and dietary changes, while type 1 requires insulin and careful carb management. That said, everyone can benefit from incorporating these foods with guidance from their healthcare team. First up are blueberries, which are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and help stabilize blood sugar levels, making blueberries ideal for managing type 2 diabetes thanks to their low glycemic index, GI. Enjoy them in smoothies or oatmeal for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Garlic is another superfood that plays a dual role. It helps reduce inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and enhances insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Its natural sulfur compounds also support kidney health. Roast or sauté garlic to add flavor to your meals without relying on salt. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium, which helps regulate blood sugar and may reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. This makes them particularly suitable for type 2 diabetes. Add roasted pumpkin seeds to salads or enjoy them as a snack for a crunchy, nutritious boost. Broccoli earns its place on this list with its high fiber, vitamin C, and sulforaphane content. These nutrients reduce inflammation and support kidney detoxification, while broccoli's low GI makes it perfect for type 2 diabetes. Try steaming, roasting, or adding broccoli to stir-fries to maximize its benefits. Fatty fish, like salmon, is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect kidney filtration. Salmon is beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes, though it's not recommended for those following a low-protein diet due to advanced kidney disease. Grill or bake salmon for a heart-healthy meal, or add it to salads for a protein boost. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. They're especially beneficial for people with early-stage kidney disease and type 2 diabetes, as they're relatively low in phosphorus. Incorporate lentils into soups, stews, or salads for a filling and nutritious meal. Red grapes are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and improves circulation. This can protect the kidneys and support type 2 diabetes management. Snack on fresh grapes, toss them in fruit salads, or freeze them for a refreshing treat. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats, which help stabilize blood sugar and provide antioxidants that protect kidney cells. They're particularly useful for people managing type 2 diabetes. Add sliced avocado to toast, smoothies, or salads for a creamy, nutrient-rich addition. Asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping cleanse the kidneys while supporting blood sugar regulation. This makes it an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. However, those with advanced kidney disease or a history of uric acid-related kidney stones should avoid asparagus. Steam, grill, or roast it as a simple yet delicious side dish. Watermelon can be beneficial when consumed in moderation. It hydrates the body and provides natural sugars without causing significant blood sugar spikes, making it a good choice for type 2 diabetes. Enjoy watermelon fresh or blended into a juice for a refreshing summer snack. Turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory agent thanks to its active compound curcumin. It protects against diabetes-related kidney damage and is suitable for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. However, because of its high oxalate content, those who are predisposed to kidney stones should avoid curcumin-based supplements. Add turmeric to curries, teas, or make golden milk for a comforting, health-boosting drink. Finally, cinnamon is one of the most effective natural remedies for improving insulin sensitivity and lowering fasting blood sugar levels, particularly for type 2 diabetes, making it a simple yet highly effective addition to your diet. It's often overlooked, but incredibly powerful. However, stick to Ceylon cinnamon, as cassia cinnamon can harm the liver if consumed in large amounts. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, coffee, or teas for a warm, health-boosting spice. These 12 foods are nutrient-packed powerhouses that support kidney health and manage diabetes. Most of them are best for those in early-stage kidney disease and those with type 2 diabetes. If you have advanced kidney disease or type 1 diabetes, it's important to consult your healthcare team before making any dietary changes. Have you tried any of these foods? Let us know your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.